Hi guys, it's Alex from AWC. Today you join me down at BMW M Specialist Fairfield Leigh-on-Sea, and I'm detailing the all-new BMW M4, and next to me is the stunning frozen white BMW M3. These are all new vehicles, and today I'm completing a new car protection package. I've completed the wash, and then I've got a single stage machine polish, and then all the variety of ceramic coatings to protect this all-new M4. These M cars arrived at Fairfield BMW, straight from Germany, with all the stickers and covers from the factory. I safely removed all of these and then used a tar and glue remover to take off any remaining residue. The vehicle then had our decontamination wash, including iron and tar removal, to ensure the M4 was smooth and ready for polishing. After an initial inspection, I was glad to see that the M4 was in great condition from the factory. You may think that all cars should be in great condition from new, however, that is not the case with other brands. The majority of vehicles go through various hands before the customer collects their new car, which can create scratching and swell marks. For the delicate areas of the vehicle, I used 3M masking tape to ensure the polished residue was not left on any of these rubbers. I enhanced all painted surfaces with a single stage machine polish which cleaned up any of the remaining blemishes. My machine of choice was the Roops LHR 15 Mark II and a combination of Cartec pads and polishers. This reacted extremely well with the paintwork and ensured a massive improvement was able to be made. Under our scan grip inspection lights, it achieved a remarkable and deep finish. So with the M4, the single stage machine polish is now complete. The paintwork is looking crisp and high clarity. However, we now need to apply the ceramic coating. So I'm going to be using CarPro Eraser to do what's called a wipe down. What the wipe down does is remove any polish and oils that I've put on from the machine polishing. And then by that point, the structure is perfect to put the ceramic coating on and everything will bond better, therefore a higher durability. So I'm going to do CarPro Eraser across the whole car, and like I said, remove all those oils and then we'll be ready for the ceramic coating. The ceramic coating we used is CarPro Professional, which is one of the strongest, glossiest and durable ceramic coatings on the UK market. There are various factors in which can affect the ceramic coating, such as humidity, temperature and application method. The unit we were working in was 15 degrees, which gave me 8 minutes of bond time before safely buffing the coating. This is really important as it determines the effectiveness of the ceramic coating.
So there we are, all done down here at Fairfield Leigh-on-Sea. I've completed the M4 with a ceramic coating package, a very gentle single stage machine polish to prepare the paint, and then the white down and the 1-layer ceramic coating. So this vehicle is now going to be beading, it's going to have a fantastic gloss, and it's now all ready for their demonstration vehicle. If you're interested in seeing any more YouTube content like this, check out our YouTube channel, like, comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in having your vehicle detailed by AWC, drop us a call. It's 01702 219 694.